Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was so nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your new kitchen. So we'll start with the cabinet pantry. We'll start on the very bottom, and we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch height glide out, and those will have two dividers, and they're adjustable, and you can move them to the left, to the right, or you could bring it up to these other two 5-inch height glide outs. Above that, we'll do three 2.5-inch height glide outs. And once again, you'll have dividers that you can move around. Above that, for your cereal and your olive oil, your tall areas, you can go ahead and we're going to do this 2.5-inch and it will have a slope. So when you're standing here, you could pull it out here. And then the other side, when you're standing there, you can pull it out like that. Okay, so you can get it from both sides. Then, and then you'll have a shelf above. Above the wall oven, this will be white, and we'll do a divider shelf, and you'll have 8 dividers, 9 sections, and they'll all be 3 inches apart. So you can remove the dividers to make the openings wider. To the right of that wall oven, on the bottom, we'll have a 2.5-inch and then a 2.5-inch height glide out. Underneath the cooktop, a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch, and we'll cut around your gas line. And then to the right of that cooktop, we're going to do a 5-inch and a 5-inch. And this is where you could put your plates, your china, since you only have 2 cabinets above. Then we'll walk over to the sink area in your kitchen. And on the bottom, we'll do a 5-inch, and we'll go as far back as we can to the water line. So that is your kitchen area. Then we will look at your living room area, and we're only going to do focus on the right side right now, but we'll measure for the left side for future. But on the bottom, we're going to do a 5-inch, a 5-inch, and a 2.5-inch, and then a 5-inch, a 5-inch, and a 2.5-inch. And this is great for, you have a lot of storage area that you can use here. And then we will look to your bathrooms, and we'll start with the master, and we'll do a 5-inch, and we'll go, we'll cut around your pipe area, and then this is called an independent riser that we talked about. So you can store your hair dryer, your medicine, flat iron, whatever you need. And then we will do the same on the far right side when you walk in. A 5-inch, cut around the pipe, and then an independent riser. That's your master. And then over here, this is your son's bathroom. We'll do a 5-inch, cut around the pipes, and then do an independent riser. Okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. You did the designer, which is all white. And we included the slopes for you, except we're not doing the slopes on the risers, okay? Because there's nowhere to put it, and it would be right here. So we don't do it on that. So just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds, and you did the designer, and it has the lifetime warranty. All right? If you have any questions, feel free to call me, 770-380-2499, and thank you for the business. And I love your store, and I bought a few things, of course. And when I'm in Beaufort, I definitely will be back to visit. All right? You take care and have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.